Ghana Akrakro, also known as Akraklo, is what we're making today, and I'm so excited to share with you an easy, stress-free way to make it. It's crispy, delicious, and trust me, you're gonna love every bite. A warm welcome to my channel. My name is Helen, and thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So if this sounds like a kind of vibe, then please sit back, relax, and then let's get started. Thank you. So I've thoroughly cleaned and washed my overripe plantains to remove any excess dirt. And one thing to note is you need overripe plantains for this recipe. Uhia cocoa abre pa abra se eya se bisano. Aha, that is what you need for this recipe. They are the key to getting that soft, sweet, and perfect texture that we want. So I'm starting off by peeling my plantains into a bowl. And for today's recipe, I'm using 7 overripe plantains, but just feel free to use more or less depending on how much Akrakro that you want to make. Once I'm done peeling, I'll just tidy up my workspace and set the plantains aside for the next step. So traditionally, Akrakro is either pounded using a mortar and a pestle or ground in an earthenware bowl. But because I'm all about keeping things simple and stress-free, I'll just be using a potato masher instead, and it gives the same result, so why not? No stress at all. Won't pay now per day. So I'll be mashing the plantains until I'm happy with the texture, then I'll set them aside and move on to the next stage. And like I said earlier, the traditional method involves pounding or grinding. And since we are skipping that, I'll be blending some few spices to help build that rich and authentic flavor. And I'm using small amounts each of pepper, ginger, onion, black pepper, some cloves, and I also added a bit of grains of Selim for that extra depth of flavor, followed by a touch of dried pepper, which is totally optional. Then when I'm done, I'll just blend everything together until smooth. No water needed, but if your blender struggles, just feel free to add a little to help it along. A warm welcome to all the new faces. Here on this channel, we share easy and delicious recipes, and we do a lot of baking too. So just join us, or stick around and join us for more amazing food content. Now back to our Akrakro. After blending the spices or the pepper, I'll be adding them straight to the mashed plantain. After adding the pepper, the next thing to add will be some salt. Then I use my spatula to mix everything together beautifully until it's well combined. And once it's done, I'll taste for salt and adjust if needed. So traditionally, roasted corn flour is used for Akrakro, but if you don't have any like me today, you can just simply substitute it with regular flour. And for this recipe, I used 2.5 cups of flour. But just keep in mind that the amount may vary depending on the consistency of your batter. So please take note, it's very, very important. And the key is to add the flour gradually, stirring as you go or stirring as you add. So I'll be doing that until I get the right texture, just like I'm doing in the video. So this is the final outcome after adding the flour, and this is the consistency that I want, or the consistency that I'll be going for. So I'll go ahead and set it aside and move on to the next step. Moving on, I've got my pan ready and I'm turning on the heat to let it preheat before adding some oil. So traditionally, palm oil is used for akrakro, but since I don't have any today, I'm just using regular oil or regular cooking oil as a substitute, and it works just fine. Once the oil is hot, I'll start scooping my mashed plantain mixture into a pan, and I'm using a ladle, but you can use a spoon, an ice cream scoop, or even your hands. Just go with whatever you are comfortable with. Just make sure to fry on medium to high heat so the fritters don't absorb too much oil. We want them golden and crisp, not greasy. Also, try not to overcrowd the pan and give each piece space to cook evenly. So I fry them until they turn golden brown. Then I'll remove and fry the next batch. Since the oil is already hot, or since the oil was already hot, the next batch fries even faster. If you're here watching and enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow us on all socials at Upclose with Abena. Serve, I plated my Akrakro and paired it with some beans for lunch, and it was absolutely delicious. And the best part is, it took less than 30 minutes to make this delicious meal. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you enjoyed watching, please share with others, subscribe, and follow for more amazing recipes. Thank you so much for taking time to watch till the very end. I truly appreciate all your support, and I don't take them for granted. Please don't forget to check out other amazing videos on the channel. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Have a blissful week. Bye bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.